So guys, welcome back sa video. So sang last to ang recap lang sang last na episode na guba mayara to nagatake sa campers. So amo to way panaban ako sunod nagatake. Ti subong day 3 na amo di tagur mabalaan. Sige. Kung wala niyo na lang tong una ko na video, i-link ko lang sa babaw or sa dalong. Kay usually sa Facebook no dan i-upload. Ari na.
Yeah.
What do you look like?
Why are you asking?
Because I'm horribly superficial.
I could be Tom Cruise's good-looking twin brother.
Oh, that's too bad. I read in People he's like 5 foot nothing.
Yeah, well, you can't win them all.
Okay, well, that gives me a good start. Now let's see. In my scope, I can only tell you're a white guy wearing shorts.
It's hot. And maybe, by the way, I'm not white. It's not very, PC or whatever they say.
Oh my god, you are the whitest man. Wow. I don't need a spotting scope for that. And if not shorts, then what do you normally like to wear?
Grabe siya mangkot ba? Labot niya ko ng suksok ko dahil.
Tuxedos as often as possible.
Oh, really?
You bet.
How cosmopolitan. I didn't realize Boulder was so chic.
It is the peak of high society.
Good to know, dear, yes. Now tell me about your face. I'm looking at you across the bar. What do I see?
Grabe siya mangkot daw. Talakay. I have a thick beard.
Thick beard.
Oh, have you always
Yung
had a
bigote
beard?
ko.
For a while, yeah.
All right, perfect. I want to know about your eyes.
Get out of here.
I'm drawing you. I need to know.
You're what?
Is that okay? Don't answer. I'm gonna do it regardless.
Ay nako. Ang tripping
Your
naman.
eyes, tell me.
They're
Happy.
happy, I think. I've been told they look happy.
Julia told you that, huh?
Look, I don't know how to describe eyes.
Happy is good. That's good. Okay, got it. Thank you, Henry.
You get what you need?
Absolutely.
Pata kahoy para kayo ta ipagid sa blocks. Huh! Lagan! Kagalit. Balik sa una na episode daan, iya balay ginsulod. Ayan ni doon tower ginsulod bala ako yung buka. Iway sa kabalok kung sino nagbuka sa kristalya. Kaya mo rin kayo ya.
What should I do now? What's next?
What's next? What do you think is next?
Well, you've been the one giving me tasks for 2 days straight.
What's next is you sit in that room until September 1st and call me at the first sign of smoke.
Yeah.
Why don't you let me know when you're mentally prepared for that task and I'll give it to you.
Okay, I think I am ready to tackle my long-term commitment of keeping this national forest safe from total destruction.
I am glad to hear you've really thought this through.
Of course.
Sarcastic eh.
We've issued you a comfy chair to sit in and everything.
You know, it's not really that comfy. It's wooden and there's no padding. I think I actually got a splinter in my thigh this morning.
Aww.
Day 9 na? Dasig ba? Bali guys, amo ning una na microphone yung gamit ko. Kaso kalayo. Namin ni quality pero amo na galing kalayo. Hindi may ma-pick up. Tagang hangin.
Hello, Henry. Having a nice afternoon?
Yeah, great. I might never leave. Well, yeah, it's great.
Not too bad. Get used to it out here.
That's nice. Look, I called with bad news. 2 young women, Chelsea Stevens and Lily McLean, were reported missing. They've
Hala,
got parents out in California who haven't heard from them in a week.
hala,
They were supposed to meet an aunt down in Cody. If they're the girls from last week, then you're probably the last person to have seen them.
hala. I didn't do
I
nothing.
didn't do anything to them.
What about their camp?
That wasn't me. You know that.
Don't get defensive. Look, it's not gonna be an issue. I mean, if they turn up dead, then maybe. Should I just not say anything and save us the trouble?
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, Henry, thanks. Enjoy the sunset.
Ay, kanami. Day 15 na naman. Dasig ba?
Henry, wake up.
Na, nagkakatulog ta pro.
Get out
Tawa
of
na
bed and
tayo.
pick up the radio.
Para na, pakatulog ko.
What do you want?
Hey, you big dumb idiot.
You're a big dumb idiot.
Oh, baby, you sound tired.
I am.
Are you having a nice time?
Sure. Are you? Everything good there? Jules?
What? Oh, sorry, Henry. Yeah, I'm good.
Nanon sa man.
That's good.
Well, I'll let you get back to sleep then.
Biglang tingog yaw.
Okay, Jules.
Delilah seems nice.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Bye, baby.
Ha? Ano to? Day 33, okay.
Is it too much of a pain in
Hi,
the ass to bring
Clark.
supplies all the way up to our towers?
Well, I get my stuff hand-delivered.
Oh, how's that work?
It's the perks of a decade of service. You're out hiking in 90-degree heat, and I get to do crosswords. Isn't life miserably unfair? Anyway, when you find the supply drop, remember it's not just for you, okay? Other lookouts, biologists, a few people get their food there, and I don't want to have to call in for more. There should be loads of good stuff, though. Beans, prunes, jerky. You know, my sister eats 6 prunes a day. 6. She's, like, really precise about it.
Ay, kulabot,
This
day.
job is
I don't
shitty.
care.
Barrels full of marijuana
I don't
to function.
care.
So, like, 2 weeks ago, you called me in the middle of the night. You were sleeping, I guess, and all I heard was the name Jules through the mumbles.
Ah,
I just thought it was so sweet. I wanted to wake you up, but then I thought maybe you were having a nice conversation, and I'd just be spoiling it. I hope you're doing okay, you know, when it comes to her.
wala. Bali ang nagtawag tugi sa radyo. Nagtamugulang siya.
I am.
Good.
Nagdaflan lang sa...
Look,
ano ko wala
so a couple of months before I took this job, I was with this guy, Javier. He's incredible, caring, sexy as hell. He was a driller down in Casper. We dated for almost 5 years. I was working with the Wyoming Outdoor Leadership School, and I was obsessed with it. I wanted to be an instructor so badly. And I was sure I was going to marry Javier as soon as I could be bothered. Waltz was also a good excuse to get out of town, drink whiskey in the mountains, cut loose. Then, Javier's brother got killed working in Gillette, and
Agoy.
for some reason, I didn't come home. Javier said it was fine. He'd go to the funeral, take care of his mom, stuff like that. It'd be easier solo. When he came back, he left me. I came out here, I lied, and told my sister he fucked our neighbor. So,
Okay.
I lied to you. I came out here with a broken heart just like you.
All right, I got everything I need out of here. Time to chow down.
Just yours, right?
Who do you think I am?
Day 34. Piece of
Hey,
paper.
you didn't take all of the supply drop food, did you?
No.
No.
Sige
I
sa
mean,
ako,
I don't,
burudak, nakakugat.
I'm hungry.
So, you did.
I gotta go.
RK64 na. Bali, ang panggaling kasi by day. Lugi ng fast food.
You've got a
Ang dami
front
ka
row
tayo.
seat for what might be the biggest fire of the year.
Tako ba?
Yeah, it's really going.
I'm gonna call it in. They'll send in a hotshot crew for some suppression, but I bet we'll be stuck with her for the rest of the summer. And she doesn't have a name yet. I usually think of something funny or something practical or a little risque when coming up with them. But why don't you do the honors?
Well, we should just call it the Big Fire if we think it's going to be.
The big fire.
Yeah,
Well, that is practical.
always my goal.
I'm actually amazed we've never used that name.
Sometimes the best names are the most obvious.
The big fire it is. So there's this creek down the hill, and, you know what my favorite thing to do is? I love to take a bottle of whatever I have on hand, plunge it deep into the water, and let it chill in there all day. And then, on nights like tonight, when it is so disgustingly hot, I have something nice and cool to drink. I learned that from my sister in Santa Fe. She'd do that with a bottle of tequila near her house and make margaritas the size of your head. You'd like it there.
If I was there with you, I'm sure I would like it a lot.
Are you looking at the fire?
No, I'm not.
You should. Let me know when you are.
Okay, I'm looking at it again.
I love how they look at night. During the day, it's just smoke, but when the sun is down, you can just get lost.
Grabe, what's wrong with her?
Yeah.
Ikaw,
I'm glad you're here.
sino matulog kayo sila?
Why do you say that?
Biga-biga mabay.
I'm not crazy. I mean, we've had such a good time, right?
Okay. Yeah.
I think so.
I don't talk to the other lookouts as much as I talk to you.
Para naman ta, pa-fall man yung babae man, pa-fall.
And I know you're not really available, but I want you to know, well, maybe it'd be nice to get together at the end of the summer. Look, we don't have to plan or even talk about it. I'm just having the thought. I wish I was over there.
Sige, pasakayan, tasabi.
I wish you were too.
We could sit outside. We could talk without these radios. We could, you know.
Wala. What could we do? Wala. Oh my gosh.
What could we do?
Well, let me tell you.
2076.
You're going fishing without a license?
It's one fish, and I'm sick of all the stuff I got to eat.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have taken so much of it then. That reminds me, I keep hearing reports from Fish and Game about a problem bear they're trying to keep tabs on. Can you search around the lake for fresh tracks and just let me know what you find? There was a crew burning fire lines out to the east, and, you know, I think sometimes it riles up the wildlife.
Problem bear? Fuck that. I am of the opinion that they are all problems.
Come on, please.
Can't believe I'm gonna leave this planet as a pile of bear shit.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? D, I found a clipboard down here, and there's something strange going on.
At the lake? What's up?
Someone has written down what we said to each other, have been saying.
Hala.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't talk to the other lookouts as much as I talk to you, not in the same way.
No way.
Wait, hold on. Something's out here.
Henry? I'm worried.
Wait, ano ba nakang butangaw? Go from Ron. Ito clipboard man.
You didn't find and eat any mushrooms, did you? I mean, they can be fun, but also, you know, devastating. Regardless, just let me know, okay, Buckaroo? Oh god, I don't know why I just called you that.
Hala! Hala, labot tao ya. Agoy! Hindi nakibot ko ito ba? Sino ni man?
What happened, Henry?
I got hit in the head, punched or something by someone.
Are you serious? What the hell is going on out there?
I don't know. Jesus Christ.
Let me get this straight. You found a clipboard with, what, transcripts of our conversations? What else is on it?
I don't know. It's gone, along with the radio of theirs. Somebody out here could have just killed me, Delilah.
What the fuck is going on?
What's Wapiti Station?
I don't know.
I saw the name Wapiti Station right before I was cold cocked. Does Wapiti Station mean anything to you?
Wapiti Meadow. Maybe it's Wapiti Meadow. It's on our maps. It's not too far from where you are right now. It's north of the lake.
Ron, got some bad news back at home, so hopefully they'll let me out of here for a while. Who's to say though, budgets being what they are. Did you get my note about what went down in Wapiti? Sheriff isn't too pleased with you, but I don't know. I probably overdid it. Wish you would been there. I guess you must have got hang up. P.S. amigos is Spanish and Finalish is Italian. Oh, I didn't
It
know
looks like there
that.
should be a trail somewhere on the north shore of Jonesy Lake.
I'll start hiking that way now. God damn it, my head.
Are you sure you saw what you saw, Henry? Maybe you pissed off some more campers and they came back to sucker punch you.
Look, I know what I saw. Hey, it was our words with initials for our names, H and D, clear as day.
And you've been feeling okay?
I feel fine.
Okay, I'm sorry, I believe you, but that conversation was from 2 weeks ago.
I know they were. So what's to say that they don't have transcripts from 3, 4, or 5 weeks ago?
Our entire relationship, friendship, our whole summer.
Someone is out here with the walkie-talkie, taking notes and talking to God knows who. But the hell do you think is going on at this place?
Apparently a lot of following you around taking notes,
Hala,
which is
what the hell is going on around
You're
here?
telling me. Alright, I'm on my way to Wapiti Meadow. I'll let you know what I find.
Wapiti Meadow.
There's got to be a reasonable explanation. Also, I'm gonna call around and see if anyone's had anything weird happen to them or seemed spooked. I don't want to make this bigger than it is yet, you know?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah, okay. Hike safe.
Grabe, amo ni Gurambal niya nakanami sa story kay do it adds mystery do ka misteryoso sa ano balahaw na do ka damo tabo. Grabe. Ito niya yan ko. Sala, balik. Salakay. Pack. It's yung pat.
Whoa, Delilah, there's a big chain link fence between me and the meadow. I don't think I can get past it.
A fence?
Yeah,
How big?
looks like goddamn Area 51.
Maybe they've got aliens. That'd be exciting.
We'll see about that. And the gate is locked up, obviously. I'll see if I can break in somehow.
All right. Be careful.
Look, I'm not gonna be able to get into this place.
Shit.
I don't know how long I can dick around out here until someone notices.
God, if you were an actual firefighter, you'd have that gate down in 2 shakes. Hey, actually, those guys doing the controlled burn, they might be able to help.
Where are they?
Beyond Ruby River, there's a scout camp. They burned a line a few days ago that should let you hike right to them.
Oh, that's great.
If they haven't left, they're probably the type of guys who would help you get through that fence.
Ruby, dito anong pampaliman? Ruby Lake. Or Ruby River. Na. Patunya ko tuloy, layo ba? Ano kayo pakatuon man? Nag-check din sa settings kung ano po yung mga controls. Ay, talakto niya ko balik to sa tiyak sa nasunugan. Ay, ako. Yung lagi ko siguro sa ano.
Hey, I called around. Things seem normal with everyone else.
Has anything strange been happening on your end?
No, nothing really.
Nothing really, or nothing?
Nothing. My door was open the other night, but that's not strange.
That doesn't sound like nothing.
It's nothing, I promise.
All right, I'm headed toward the camp anyway.
Okay. Keep your radio close to you.
Hey, what you just said, keep my radio close to me.
Yeah?
Before I got attacked back at the lake, I saw a radio on the ground, kind of like the one I use.
And?
Do you think that maybe someone was,
I don't know. What?
maybe intercepting our frequency with other radios or something?
Henry,
It's just a thought.
I don't even know how you would do that.
Yeah, well, you sound worried.
No, I'm not. Okay, let's not spin out of control. Just keep hiking.
Hello?
I know we don't know what's going on yet, but I don't have a good feeling. I don't like feeling vulnerable. It's not like you can just call the police. I was thinking about the Goodwins. It just struck me that if anything weird like this happened to them, happened to Brian, just how scared he would
Ano
have
ba yan?
been.
Nakatabo man. Hindi ka... Dali lang storya.
He had his dad to protect him. Ned, right?
Yeah.
You don't think he could?
No, you're probably right.
It was 3 years ago. He's in high school now. He's on summer break.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, the big fire isn't going anywhere, huh?
No, that's why those guys came out to burn that line. It's at the stage where all we can do is pay attention to it.
They're not gonna try to put it out?
Not yet, apparently.
I found where they did the controlled burn. I can hike right through here now.
Yeah, normally they wouldn't do that so close to a body of water, but I think they're extra worried about a fire jumping the river and burning up to 2 forks, now that there's someone in it.
Well, I'm extra appreciative of that.
Let's see. The scout camp is southeast of the river. There should be a pond on the way.
There's some old snowmobiles out here.
That's crazy.
Looks like one of the poor bastards was cruising across this pond and dumped it.
That was not a fun hike back to civilization.
There's an old pond out here, not much more than a pile of mud. Do you have it on your map?
Ah, yeah, I know where you are.
Yeah, where am I?
Pork Pond. There used to be a sign up for it, but, well, folks kept stealing it.
Because it's called Pork Pond.
It's a good goddamn name. That sign would look great in a den, or, you know, anywhere.
The bridge to the camp is out.
Damn.
I'm gonna walk the ravine and see if I can find some high ground to get across.
Good plan.
Hindi makadtuman. Are, basi pwede dia. Pwede dito. Kahon may yara ano ho. Pilas siya dalom na yun. Ang pipi na moton. Mungita pa kita dia. Kumanta ka kung isa sa magampang kamo. Why ka kabalo kung din bala maano haw maagi or no brafon. Why siya ay nako. Ano man? Hindi mo palumpas. Adrin pa si Drio. Piling ko mo siguro. Tara gali ah. Ah, pak. Tara yan, nakatabok na ko.
I'm at the camp.
Great. Have a look around. If anyone's still there, they might be able to help.
I'm gonna sound crazy.
Maybe you just ask them to help you get inside the fence. If I didn't know it was out there, they probably don't either.
I guess these little shelters are where they keep the Weeblos.
For the past 35 years, yeah.
Yeah, these guys are gone. Found where they were sitting around before getting picked up.
Damn.
Hey, D, they left...
Squad boss Greg Carson, Miami Interagency Hotshot Crew, Paint Rock Range. Dr. Simmons of PD Station, Thoroughfare Region, Squad boss Carson. In the next few days, you and your team will be dropping into the Thoroughfare region of Shoshone National Forest to cut the fire line south of Ruby. I'm writing you on behalf of Dr. Ben Simmons at Wapiti Station. He reached out to the superintendent with wildfire concern about his research site. Upon your return, someone from his office will want to speak with you as part of a wildfire risk assessment. I told them they have nothing to worry about, and your team's fire lines are the most potent preventive measure protecting their site, even though they'll be more than a mile away. But I think they got insurance companies to answer to. Thanks as always for your service. Rich Slusarenko. Okay.
Something behind. It's like a memo from their boss.
Did it say anything of note?
Next few days, dropping into the thoroughfare on behalf of Dr. Simmons at Wapiti Station.
Wapiti Station?
Holy crap.
Keep reading.
Oh, I just thought I would maybe, stop there, let the mystery percolate.
My mother always said I would meet someone who'd give me a taste of my own medicine.
They're running a research site out there. He was worried about wildfires.
Someone is writing down our conversations. And now we find out there's a research site out here that we don't know about? What are they researching?
Oh, probably just horned toads.
And a Wapiti Station clipboard with our conversations on it is just, what, recreation for them?
I'm just messing around. Somebody is obviously up to something. I'm freaking out here.
At least we know there is something real happening behind that fence.
I think that we should consider that maybe this is all just a coincidence, but my gut says that there is something bad going on.
Mine too. Okay. So what's next?
Well, I've got an axe, so I can figure out a way to get over the ravine and back towards the site.
Sounds good. Check in when you can, and keep an eye out for anyone following you.
You ever talk to any of the scouts?
No, they haven't been out here in a while, and I generally don't have a lot to say to preteens.
Unless it's Brian Goodwin.
Well, if forced, I mean, I can make conversation with anyone. Plus, it was sort of fun to hear about all of his nerdy hobbies.
I mean, he wasn't a scout or a Weeblo or whatever?
I got the sense that boy could barely tie his shoes, let alone a clove hitch.
What the hell's a clove hitch?
Well, it's a knot that you are probably too old and too stubborn to learn. You use it to make rafts and shelters and stuff like that.
You know how to tie one?
Heck no, I'd make a Weeblo do it.
Ay, balik ko yun naman kuya eh. Yung mga gaman. Akin, aragan check ko. Siga! Sa pagid! Sa pagid! Tara na!
Are you there? I had a thought.
Let's hear it.
You heard someone in the bushes.
Yeah?
Okay, so let's assume we're being tailed. Or you are, at least. Where are you right now?
Just on my way back, in and out of trees in the middle of nowhere?
Do you see anybody?
No, definitely not.
Alright, so tell me what you think of this.
What
Did
the?
you just cough?
No. Did you just cough?
No.
Oh,
Fuck.
What the
There
fuck?
isn't any way someone, like another lookout, could be on this line, is there?
No. Not without tapping our radios. Get in your tower, shut the door. Don't leave, and don't use your radio. I'll call you. Understand? I will call you.
Hala. Scary AF ba? Grabe, may kapapatigil sila, ano?
Thoroughfare Tower, this is Two Forks calling you for the 50th time today.
Hala, way kasabat ang bayi.
The big fire continues to move in a southerly fashion. Delilah, for fuck's sake, answer your radio.
Hello, sunshine. Sorry, went out for a little bit. What can I do you for?
I didn't sleep a wink last night, and I've been going crazy for the past 6 hours of sunup. How are you so chipper?
Well, it's a new day. What a day, this day we've been given.
Maybe I am actually asleep right now. Maybe I didn't stay up all night knowing that someone is...
I actually slept just great.
Okay.
By the way, I was wondering if your Flora of the Shoshone info poster was still up inside your tower?
What?
It's just protocol that those stay up. You know, info about your tower, the surrounding tree species, etc.
All right.
Just, you know, have a look at it. Make sure it's in ship shape.
Yeah, man. Floor, gali.
Okay, yeah, it's up. Why are you acting like this?
Great. Just wonderful. Do you see the tree in the top row, second from the left?
Sure. It's the,
No. You don't need to tell me. Just, internalize it. It's a great tree. And there's an area called, that tree's name in your sector that maybe you should take a midday hike to. Maybe.
Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I should go for a hike.
Matsyag kumiyara gataya
Nothing
siya
like an
pusil.
afternoon in the Rockies, I tell ya. Radio me the moment you get there.
Which tree am I supposed to internalize again?
Top row, second from the left.
Sarap,
Head to a place named after that tree, and you'll have a wonderful afternoon.
Matyagan kumiyara gataya pusil siya ulo. Amo na do ka ano siya, way ginasugid. Cottonwood. Cottonwood Creek. Dalam po alin kagina. Sige, bala na. Ano yung hanang rula to sa man? Matyagan ko lang, ambusyon ko ni. Ambusyon ko yun sa mga tao di. Makad ko ito. Para. Ay, sorry. Mungit kayo man. Record gali. Ano tama sa mo daw?
I'm here at Cottonwood Creek.
You see the cash box there?
Must be around here somewhere.
It is. Find it and open it. I changed the code. It's 5678.
Are you kidding me?
I was in a rush.
So,
I've got it now.
Good. I spent all day getting you that radio. I hiked to a cash box, lied to a ranger, lied to another ranger, and hopefully you are now holding a clean, untapped radio.
Hopefully.
Holy fuck, Henry, we have to get into that site.
What the fuck is going on?
what
People
the
are
fuck is
listening to
going
us?
on?
I don't know.
Our radios are tapped? Are you fucking serious?
Our radios are definitely tapped. That's why I left you the one you just got.
How is this even possible?
I don't know, Henry.
What do you know?
Sala, kung may abi combustion siya.
Know that I'm scared.
Are there any other lookouts this is happening to? Someone else in on this? Anyone?
This is just happening to us. Everyone else is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. I've tried to bring it up to Chimney Rock, Elks Fork, and Beartooth Lookout, and every one of them got confused. Asked me if I'm okay and if I need to be relieved. Our fucking state coordinator asked if I was just having lady troubles. So no, this isn't happening to anyone else, and I'm done asking.
Look, I'm headed back to the gate, and now that I've got an axe, we'll know something soon.
You need to get into that site. Call me when you find something.
Tayo, hike ka ba? Sige lang. Ano? Sala. Ito ang magagali. Ano tala? Kakadili ko mag-gets ang mapa below. Diba siya mo lang gid yung kagubatan niya. Dasi ka mo talang. Okay. Wais man sa babae ba? Parang patsa ka para hindi mabasa sapatos ya. Radyo
I
naman siya.
just thought of something not great.
What is it?
I filed a report that said that neither of us ever talked to or saw those girls, the ones that went missing a few weeks back.
Yeah, I told you not to say anything. You agreed with me.
I know I did.
And now someone probably has a transcript of that entire conversation.
And I've filed a report that's a blatant lie.
Oh, and those girls are still missing.
Yep.
Fuck, Delilah.
Fuck indeed. We really need to get to the bottom of this.
May tao da? Tama, tiyaga ko. Dumigay sunod sa akon. Ano ka ni man? Lapit na lang ah. Okay rin ako. Grabe lapak ba? So, head west ko. Who's there? May tao da? Lakat ko ba? Kasi siya may glitch. May glitch siya ako na ang higot sa rappel to. Nagka-pick around na. Ay, salamat. Alam naman kita, safety na yan. Para panigurado lang. Buti mo to?
I'm busting the gate down. There's nobody around, and it's the quickest way in.
Copy that.
Ow!
Why None. If you're trying to reach Dr. Simmons, he is on site from August 15th. Dr. University-owned equipment is the responsibility of Dr. Joson. Government-owned equipment is under the purview of Cat Ferdinand. Remember, this is a controlled area, and any issues malfunction should be reported immediately. Okay. Music karena intense na music. Is anybody there?
Okay, I'm at the site. I don't see anybody around.
Lucky for us.
Yeah, lucky for us. There's some serious comms equipment out here, wireless stuff.
What do you mean?
I'm talking a big 20-foot tall transmission tower. And they can probably listen to whoever the hell they want. They're nestled down in this valley, which makes it impossible for you or any lookout to see them.
Sabi ko tao.
They're doing something with the soil out here too. It's all gridded off.
Who knows what else they're up to?
I'm in their main tent.
What's it like?
It's definitely some sort of monitoring station. This place sleeps 3. They've got a row of cots here.
So they live and work in the same tent?
Yeah, it's all one operation.
Like us.
I just wonder where they are. All of their stuff is here.
And they know you're there, so see what you can find and get out.
I found their main monitoring desk.
Oh my god, what do you see? Seriously, at this stage, I believe just about anything.
There's a box here with a dial. It has a needle, like it measures earthquakes. Okay. Shit. Got another clipboard here that confirms that they're tracking our movements. The log they've got tracks the movement. The 4 subjects.
You and me?
Yeah, definitely me. And I suppose you too.
What about the other 2?
They've got a map with all sorts of paths and areas marked out on it. There are lines that look like some of the paths I normally take.
Are you positive it's you?
Some of their descriptions seem like uncharitable ways of describing me, yeah.
Diba ako base, gama mo kung kay base may tao sa likod ko.
I mean, this stuff looks like it just got lifted out of the space shuttle.
I have to tell you, if I found out this was NASA, I'd be a hell of a lot happier.
There's nobody here. It's just tents and equipment. And yeah, that's it.
Look everywhere. Maybe you can find something that will help us know what's going on.
This place just feels like there's bad shit afoot, you know? It's sterile, dead.
Hopefully we find some proof to back that up.
And there's all sorts of contraptions and shit out here.
Like what?
Dishes and stuff on metal legs. There are wires all over the place. I don't know. I'm not really up on high tech.
Meron na KAG man.
Desk in here is a mess. I mean, it's like someone was in a rush or knocked a bunch of stuff over on accident. There's some sort of monitor. I don't know what it does. Maybe air quality or something?
Maybe they're keeping data on everything that could impact our moods.
That looks possible. This is crazy. They're measuring the barometric pressure, too. Why?
Maybe it's just a diversion.
Sa bilog lampang, doon ay pwede kong kita. Di sa isa katawal, labot sakol. Ako lang hindi isa yun. Kumbar ka sa babaw, excuse me. Excuse me. Pink leather. Investigate ko naman. Ano pa gusto yung ground ko? Frequent departure from the box area. Avoidance may consult previous data. Unreciprocated desire for copulation conflict with other males. Disproportionate food intake. Okay. Ko di makadto. Init. Ay, takan yung isa na. Why ko kabalo kung di makadto. Gusto, nobra ko naman na investigate ko lang yung lugar. Nabalik ko niyo naman ko. Sabado.
This equipment is not stuff from the hardware store.
Regdana no? Hindi ko magamit. Ay, gali.
Okay, this thing is losing its mind, beeping like crazy.
I can hear it. What's it after?
I don't know. I'm gonna go find out.
Ano mo pakita man? Ano mo ko di? Is nara sa isman.
server.
Delilah A. 43 program status review with 1 observational traits, reliable observer concerning alcoholism, charismatic self-risk, good perception of personal history, pertinent observed facts, never married, no kids, rarely hikes or lives in the surrounding, multiple lovers despite long-time partner, named Javier, susceptible to manipulation. 3. Supervisor signed off, e.g.
Reports here.
What do they say?
Their assessments about the two of them.
Henry M. 39. Okay. Complete explorer, keeps to the path, prone to anger, passive, eagerly forthright, guardian, subject is full engaged supervisor. Trust yet to be scientific, all signs point towards full cooperation. Subject may be aware of tests. Suggest we disengage if subject decide to leave his post. Hala, stalo,
There's
paggaling
stuff in
story
here
as
about Julia.
Like what?
Stuff I didn't tell you. This is...
What does it say about me? You said there was one about me.
And it looks like they've been following me around. What I do when I'm out hiking? Jesus.
Henry, do you hear me?
It says that you and your boyfriend are still together.
What? We're not. They're messing with us.
Yeah, okay.
They are. How do they even know who he is? How the hell does this... I'm so sick of letting these people do this to us. We should just burn the place down. Think about it.
Look, maybe that's what they want us to do.
What do you mean?
Maybe they're trying to push us to the point where we do something crazy. The grass is dry as hell here. It would go up in a second.
Well, now I'm thinking, what if you're right?
I just don't think we should do anything that we can't undo.
Well, maybe it's not the best idea.
Yeah, it's definitely not the best idea.
Oh, I'm so fucking wound up.
It's all right. I'm just gonna hike back. We have the wave receiver, and tomorrow we can figure out what to do.
Yeah, that's weird. Hike back. Local baan ba? Hindi ko pwede naka-teleport pa kanto to. Yeah, ang music to go build up man. Hala!
Whoa! Oh, shit! Delilah, there's smoke coming from the site. I just climbed out of there and the bridge collapsed.
What the hell happened to you? It's definitely not the best idea.
It wasn't me!
What do we do?
We just call it in like any other fire.
And what about who started it? What about them?
The person who started it?
Yeah.
We're talking about people watching us out here who are now burning the forest and everything in it around us. I don't know what to do about that.
Except get the hell out.
Yes, get us the hell out of here.
I will.
Day 77. Hindi na sagli about sa kalayo, pero kadalong pag yun.
This receiver just picked something up.
What? What thingy? What now?
I found a device that picks up frequencies. It's how I found the reports last night, and it's going off now.
It just picked up a frequency?
Yeah, what could it be?
I don't know. You gotta find out.
Alright, I'm on my way now.
You know what I just picked up?
No.
a fifth of Major Bueno tequila from the creek.
Are you drunk?
No, I am getting drunk.
Hey Dee, I don't want to harsh your vibe, but maybe, just maybe, that's a bad idea.
Henry.
What?
You're harshing my vibe. My thinking is I could stay up all night worried I'm gonna lose my job because of the side fire, or I could not worry and let the chips fall where they may. It's not like there's any proof we were down there.
My thinking is I'm gonna follow this wave receiver.
Ooh, I like it when you think.
Ay. I'll just leave you alone with whatever these thoughts are.
Pili na kayo mag-video.
Shit! What? Ah!
Sabi ko, bumbahan ko ba? National something.
I found some sort of supply bag, light camping gear, some clothes, and basics. It was alarmed. I think that's what was making the receiver go haywire.
You're okay? It's not a trap or anything?
Yeah, I'm fine. But there's also a set of keys here. And I don't know why they'd be hidden out here. They say Shoshone National Forest, Cave 452. Is that the one in the canyon?
Yeah, it is. Who the hell took them?
And what the hell is in that cave?
Okay, let's just think.
Says the woman with a half a bottle of tequila in her belly.
Maybe they're panicking and we're preparing to beat it. The fire has them spooked, and we have new walkie-talkies, so we have the upper hand.
Yeah, well, it's hard to feel like you have the upper hand when you're standing in the dark in the middle of the woods.
Oh. Well, you're back at your tower. Maybe you need a drink, too.
I'm not in my tower.
I am looking at a man standing in your lookout. And it's not you.
not me.
Oh my god, go.
I'm going.
Ayun na sala.
Hey, I got turned around. Is that person still there?
No, he's gone.
I'll call you when I get back.
Ay, masugatan na kami ni. Okay, akong baal ba? Lumabas ka na dyan! Napalibutan na namin ng lugar! Hindi ka na makatakas!
I don't see anyone up here.
He was just there.
Sunod daw. Wala. Oh my goodness.
It's a tape of us talking down at the site. Sounds like it was recorded from somewhere nearby.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, and it sounds like we were the ones who burned it down and that it was your idea.
No.
I-frame sila
We
guro.
are screwed.
No!
Dee, just don't freak out, okay? Don't freak out.
Oh my god, what the fuck is happening, Henry?
Oh my goodness. Day 78.
What's wrong?
Someone claiming to be Henry in Two Forks called a lookout in another sector early this morning and said that I knew what caused the Wapiti Meadow fire. So, I just got off the horn with that lookout who's wondering what I know, or that I'm an arsonist, or that I'm fucking losing it. Furthermore, I bet you don't have the only tape of us from last night, so someone has evidence to back it up. We need to find out what someone's been keeping in that cave.
I'm going down there now.